Hi all, today we will discuss about running a Python library module as a script using -m option. With this option, we can run any Python script as well as any folder. To execute a folder as a script, we need to use _main_.py file as well. We will discuss about it later in the next session. We can run any Python script by different ways. Please click on the top right corner I symbol to know more. Now, let's see how to run a Python script which is a module itself as well with -m option. First, let me open terminal over here. Now I will execute a command tree. So it will provide me tree structure of the current folder. Here, consider the following folder hierarchy. Here we have main folder called calculations. Within this calculations folder, we have three different folders. Addy folder, which contains addition.py file, which contains a function to sum or to add two numbers. Another folder is exam, which contains two scripts with imports.py and without imports.py, which we are going to execute today with -m option. This mult folder contains a script multiply.py, which contains a function to multiply two numbers, to multiply two digits. Okay, now let's see with imports.py file first. Let me open it. So I will go to calculations folder, exam folder, and over here without imports.py. So I will open it. As you can see that it contains a function called summation, which accepts two arguments a comma b. Over here, this is the docstring, and as per it, this is the function which accepts two integers and provide the sum of those two integers. Okay, and for time being, please ignore this line. We are going to discuss about it later in coming few sessions. Next, let's see with imports.py file. Over here, as you can see, we have imported two modules called summation and multiplication, which are from two different folders called addy and mult respectively. These two modules contain functions for sum and multiplication of two digits to numbers respectively. And these two folders are from calculations folder. So addy and mult are the subfolders of the main folder called calculations. Also, again, please ignore this block. We are going to discuss about it later in coming few sessions. Now, first, let's execute the file without imports.py. For this, I will change my working directory to exam folder. So let me do it. Change directory, calculations, exam folder. Next, I will execute the command python -m without imports. Sorry, yeah, it is the spelling mistake, without imports. Okay, and as you can see that we are able to get the result over here. We can execute this command from any location. For example, I will change my working directory to the folder where calculations folder resides. So again, I will go back to my previous working directory. Now I will re-execute the same command but with location reference such that python -m calculations dot exam dot without underscore imports, and as you can see that we are able to get the same result again. One thing that you might have noticed, that when you run any script with -m option, you must not use .py extension with it, else it will result in an error such that module not found error you will get. Let me re-execute the same command with .py extension, and you can see that we have got the error that module not found. And over here we have got suggestion as well, like try using calculations.exam.without imports. Next, we will run another file called with imports. Here we must need to execute the command from the folder where calculations folder resides. So let me execute ls command first and make sure that we are in the directory where calculations folder calculations directory resides. Now I will execute the command python -m calculations dot exam dot with underscore imports. Okay, and over here, sorry, I have got the spelling mistake. It's calculations, and yeah, we are able to get the result that summation of two number is this and multiplication of two number is this. Now the question is, why do I need to execute the command from specific location? The reason being, if we run the command from any other location, we will get an error that module not found. Again, why we will get that error? Because as you can see in the script, so first let me open the script. So as you can see in the script, we have imported few modules from the subfolders of calculations folder. So addi and mult are the subfolders, and this addition and multiply are the scripts from which we have imported summation and multiplication functions. When we execute the command from another location, it won't be able to get that calculations folder, and hence we will get an error that the module was not found. Let me re-execute the above command from another folder. So I will go to the calculations directory where I have subfolders called addi, exam and mult, and again I will re-execute this command python -m calculations dot exam dot with imports, and you can see that we have got this error, that error while finding module calculations. Okay, and calculations we have used in import statement. So this is where you will get an error. We will discuss about this import packages in Python in detail in coming few sessions. That's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.